There are many products available to choose portable grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill. For its portable charcoal grill, Masterbuilt employed a simple version of technology it developed for its larger digital charcoal grill. With the use of a fan and a separate charcoal firebox, you can get this grill hot enough to cook in about the same time it takes to heat up a portable propane grill. We loaded the firebox with charcoal from the Good Charcoal Company, which is a consistent medium size and perfect for the small 1.5-pound capacity firebox. We lit the charcoal with a torch for about 60 seconds, turned the fan to medium, closed the firebox, and in 15 minutes, we were grilling burgers. The fan is electric, but that doesn't mean you have to be tied to an outlet. You can also use 4 AA batteries. When we tested the battery power with the fan set on medium speed, we were able to grill for about 5 hours. Number 2. Cuisinart CGG 750 Venture Portable Grill. Packed up, Cuisinart's Venture resembles a picnic basket, making it about as portable as a tabletop grill can get, and it took us less than a minute to set up its 3 pieces, including a wood top, a grill body with handle, and a base. The top and base combine to form an attractive prep surface that clips alongside the grill. The single 9,000 BTU burner is fueled by a 16-ounce propane canister that conveniently stores in the base. Being a single-burner grill, the Venture made it a little tricky to manage heat when cooking thicker meats like bone-in chicken, as it's hard to get away from the heat for longer. Indirect cooking. We set the burner on low for the 100% beef burgers we grilled, flipped them once, and then turned up the heat to imprint sear lines from the cast iron grate. Number 3. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Grill. This somewhat simple, unassuming grill turned out to be the sleeper in our test. We were impressed by how easy it was to cook with either direct or indirect heat. The charcoal tray is adjustable, hanging from a ladder rack that can quickly raise or lower the coals as needed. The burgers came out with fantastic coloring and that inimitable cooked-over charcoal taste. To cook chicken more slowly, we shuffled the coals to one side, put it away from them, and closed the lid. The damper on top allows for fine management of the heat, and a large, easy-to-read thermometer makes monitoring the temperature simple. As far as portability, this tabletop grill doesn't break down to take up less space. What you see is what you get, and it might be difficult to transport in smaller cars. We were surprised to find that the Rambler is nearly 50 pounds. Number 4. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. For tailgating, camping, or a barbecue in the park, the RoadTrip 285 is easy to haul and set up. It runs on 16-ounce propane canisters. Bring spares if you're cooking for a crew or making multiple meals. The 2-piece grates are made of cast iron and coated with porcelain, covering 3 burners that yield 20,000 BTUs. The burners all sit under the solid center sections of the grates, which our bread test revealed to be the hottest area on the grill. You will need to carefully manage indirect heat when cooking thicker things like chicken on the bone. We kept it over the open grates around the edges of the grill. The 25 by 12-inch cooking surface will hold a lot of burgers, dogs, or whatever your preference. Number 5. Weber Lumin Outdoor Electric Portable Grill. The Lumin is as reliable as Weber's charcoal and gas models and offers much of the same capabilities in a streamlined design. It reaches over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and all you need is a standard outlet to do so. Like other grills from Weber, it comes with a porcelain-coated cast iron grate for even heat distribution and retention. The double-walled hood keeps the cooking temperature inside consistent no matter what ambient temperature you're cooking in. In testing, we found the Lumin was user-friendly and versatile enough to cook everything from steaks to seafood to vegetables. It comes with stainless steel steaming and smoking accessories, which was a nice bonus, and setup and takedown were quick and easy. Consider getting the collapsible stand if you want to free up some table space. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.